Everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to IKEA Navi Mumbai. So we are going there to buy some home essentials and look for what's new and trend. So come with us. So we booked the Uber and now we are going to IKEA Navi Mumbai. It's 40 minutes away from home. IKEA Navi Mumbai is one of the largest stores. Exact location is it's next to the Turbhe station in Navi Mumbai. IKEA Navi Mumbai is a well-designed and spacious store offering a wide range of modern, functional and affordable home furnishing. Every section in IKEA you will find such small decor items, small flower vase and artificial flowers. This flower vase and artificial flower makes our home a pop and gives aesthetic look. There are three floor sections. First we started with the third floor. Beautifully structured home layouts with hall, bedroom and bathroom. How to set up each of the room, and every layout had a theme, minimal to extravagant. This one is a blue theme shaded, everything aligned and matching, giving a proper home-like ambience. They have put a lot of creativeness in each section. Huge mirrors, lights, decor items, lamps, clock. Everything feels like you're being in a home. IKEA is best for people who like pastel shades, minimal yet elegant design, lightweight and easy to carry furniture. This one is a perfect girl themed place, everything in pink, reds and oranges. Water glasses were quite affordable. 6 pieces of glasses for 699. And in every corner you will find some items less than 1000 like water glasses, plates, flower, decor items, hangers. You will find it in every corner. So that it will be easy to pick. So it attracts people. Perfect dining set, perfectly aligned and placed. It looks so aesthetic. The next section we went is the sofa sections. Varieties of sofa, L-shaped, comfy, with storage, without storage. Multiple options and in colors were available. And there was discount 15% off going on for the sofa sections and as well other sections as well, but there were major discounts happening in this. section there were pillows and car sets as well. And after that we went to see the coffee tables. So in coffee table there were multiple varieties, one with wooden, one with glass, and they were displayed on how we can make our room look more aesthetic. So after this, the next section was the bed section. Options were quite king size, queen size, single bed, beds for kids. You can choose one based on your bedroom size. Pillows, cushion covers, curtains, everything is available in this section. Next to this is the wardrobe section, a huge wardrobe with good storage space. You can check that out. The next section is the bathroom essentials. Bathroom trays, dustbins, sanitizer bottles were available. Knobs and handles, wash basins. You can get each part and assemble yourself at home. The IKEA restaurant is another highlight. Spacious, clean, and offering a wide spread of dishes. Tried almost everything from nuggets to butter chicken, herb rice, chocolate brownie. The quality and presentations were great for the price, though some dishes could be served warmer. So you have to collect all your dishes and go to the billing and they will bill you. So we came here around 12, I guess, 11:45 well, and it's almost 4 o'clock and we are still here shopping and it's not done yet. So let's see. The next we went to the kitchen section. It's in the second floor. Such a huge varieties from steel to aluminium to ceramic to glass. Plates in different colors, utensils, pans, so much of varieties. First I had a craze of clothes and shoes and now it's for crockery sets, just adulting things. Small shakers to jars, bowls. This is the second floor, so do check this out. There are multiple varieties of kitchen sets over here. is 4 to 5 hours for IKEA Navi Mumbai. The store is huge, beautifully designed, and time flies once you are inside. So we were there for almost 5 hours, so plan accordingly. We have finally reached to the last section of IKEA, and here there were so many artificial flowers, flower vase and pots, so colorful. And we are finally done with our billing, and now we are heading back to home. Do check out till the end of the video what products we got from IKEA. Done with shopping. Now going home. So we are back from IKEA, and I'll show you what did we get. Okay, so we got this artificial flowers. Okay, for 79. This. Okay, then we got this real plants. This is for 139, and we got 3 of them. Okay, so got 3. Then we got succulent plants, it's for 200. So the next section is crockeries for kitchen. So this 4 we got it for 199. We got 2 sets. Okay. Then we got this plate for 79. We got 6 sets over this, 6 plates. Then drinking glass 59. So we got 4 of this. Then tea glasses. So this is for 49, and we got 12 pieces. And then we have glass bottles for 149, so we got 2 of them. Okay, the next one we got this cute boxes for grains and pulses. This is 318 for each. We got 4 of them. Then we got this bowl for 49. So we got 6 sets, I guess. Then this is the flower machine one, so this is for 200. And this one we use in the bathroom to keep for shampoos, and this we got it for 638, and we got 2 of them. Then some more boxes. I guess this is for 1 each. I guess one is for 200, so we got around 5 sets. Okay, the next one we got is seat cars. We already got an IKEA stool, so for that, so this is for 199, so we got 4, so we have 4 stools. Then we got hangers, so this is for 149, and there are 10 pieces, so we got 4 set of them. Okay. Then the pan, this is for 649, actual price is 1000 something, 1198, but we got in a discount. Then cute sanitizer holders, so this is for 149 each. Then we got pillows, we got 4 of them for 249 each. And then we got this carpet for 199 each, so it's a nice microfiber ones. And then we got, so that's it. So we shopped for around 14,000, and we got some discount in IKEA, so it was, the total bill was around 12,000 and something. So yeah, good shopping. So the products are very nice. Do check IKEA.